No?
Has Rolf gone insane?
Come on, Rolf, I said I was... Sorry. Is it over?
In a duel, two contestants must fight. Duel. Why do you not fight Rolf?
Oh, is it my turn?
Hit Rolf!